So, hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of June 2026 for your love and relationship area for singles. Okay, please keep in mind this is general. This might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. So, let's start, Cancer. Your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. We have the Moon card, the Knight of Cups, and the Justice. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Wands. You're looking forward to have someone specific or some specific kind of person and energy in your life, and you're moving forward. You're still one foot in, one foot out of your previous experience or experiences. So you're not fully open to the idea of connecting with somebody because of the fear, insecurity, because of the mysterious and secretive kind of energies that you're still holding on to in your life from inside. And then there is this desire that universe, whosoever is meant to be with me, they should just present themselves right in front of me. Everything should be balanced, everything should be fair, everything should be crystal clear. There should not be any kind of ifs and buts and this and that or secretive or mysterious kind of energies around a situation. Then only I'm going to move forward. Then only I'm going to take the leap of faith and move forward with somebody. If they are going to be crystal clear and honest with me in each and everything that they are going to bring on the table, if I will be able to like tell them each and everything from my side, there is nothing to worry about, there is nothing hidden, there is nothing that we have to talk about. Then and then you guys are continuously looking forward to have that kind of person or a specific person in your life because you are waiting for some kind of justice, you are waiting for that kind of avatar, reincarnation of a human in your life who is not going to hide anything or anyone or anything in their life from you. They should even tell you what time they shit and what time they eat. This is just a very stern kind of energy, by the way. It's not coming out of love, it's coming out of fear. That's the problem here. And you are considering it as like, but it is coming out of love because I'm going to provide that kind of love to somebody, so I deserve that. Yeah. If it is coming out of love and happiness, good. But it is coming out of fear mixed with love, and you're calling it like, I'm fair. That's the deal here. Let's see. What are your energies for a new person, new connection, new bond, Cancer? We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a World card. The moment you are going to start going ahead with somebody, the moment is going to be like, okay, goodbye, I'm out of this. Why? So somebody is going to enter in your space, things are going to start moving forward, then it's going to be so slow, you are going to be bored, and then out of the blue this person will start going back and forth, on and off, in and out in the situation, and that is going to create a lot of stressful energies, and you're going to be like, bye, I don't want to play this game with you. I already told the universe what I want, so I want it exactly the way I want it. If you are playing any kind of game with me, even if it is 1% not matching with the kind of person or situation that I want, I'm out of this. I don't want it. Okay. You might end up connecting with somebody while traveling or something. There might be moments of laughter, moments of exploring things together, or having a cup of tea or something like that. And then there's going to be like, boom, no, they're not my person. Goodbye. Okay. Somebody's inconsistency, somebody's behavior is going to make you overthink the situation so deeply that you are going to be like, I don't care about their existence anymore. Goodbye. Okay. We have playfulness. To recap, capture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Sometimes we are just connected to people just for friendships, just for bonds, just for exploration. It's not always we have to date them, sleep with them, or have a relationship with them. So don't let your playful energy die. I'm not saying to flirt around and make people fall in love and run away. I'm saying just sometimes all we have to do is just be there, enjoy the moments, enjoy the bond, enjoy the connection, keep yourself safe, and just move on. You don't have to take everything so personally. You don't have to take everything so seriously. And you don't have to connect with everybody with this mindset, this person can be my romantic partner, this can be, this can be. Then how you're going to live? This is going to be very tough for you to live then. Let's see what are your energies for a past person, past situation, past connection. Okay, is somebody at my door or something? Yeah, I don't know. I don't care. Let's see. There's a lot of renovation and this and that kind of work going on here. I'm tired now. Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Magician. Bottom of the deck is a Judgment. Both of you guys are trying to release something. If something is happening, I'll check that after this. Both of you guys are trying to release something heavy and burdensome out of this situation. There is this energy where you guys share a very beautiful soulmate kind of a connection with somebody, but this is either it's on and off, in and out, and or other person is involved in the situation. So either you guys are trying to release the situation altogether if other person, other energy is also involved in the situation, or you guys are trying your best to release the burdensome and heavy energies out of the situation, and then manifesting clarity, manifesting this energy of, if we guys are meant to be together, universe bring us together. If not, help me to release this particular person or situation out of my system, because I'm tired of this on and off, in and out game. I'm tired of this thing. Yep, there is somebody on the window. They're doing the paint thing uh, there in front of my window. Anyway, so there is a lot of on and off, in and out, back and forth kind of energy. I told you guys about this past person, past situation. Okay, let's see from the oracle card for this past person, past situation. I have romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. One of you is still very much in love with the other person here, and your feelings, your energies are worth exploring. If this situation is this situation still have a potential to go somewhere, until unless there is no other person involved, there's no drama involved of the third parties, this situation can really go somewhere. You can think about it if you guys want to. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer. Wheel of Fortune in reverse, the Sun card, the Four of Swords, bottom of the deck is a King of Swords. You have to stop being so harsh on yourself, so hard on yourself. You have to stop being an asshole towards yourself. If you're not going to love yourself, if you're not going to accept that change is the only constant, if you are going to be in this energy of, yeah, I know, I'm very happy, I'm very, very clear, and I'm going to open up to only that kind of person, that kind of energy where I'm going to get exactly what I want, and then you are not going to allow anybody to come near you, how you are going to proceed further, how you are going to be with somebody? Not possible, right? You're not accepting the changes, you're not accepting that with time the perception change, the point of view change, and when we meet the person, meet the right person, maybe in the start they are not going to match exactly with our every thought, every energy, everything that we want from somebody. Doesn't mean they are not the right person or they are not for us. You have to open up, you have to be flexible, you have to be open minded, and you have to start being an asshole with yourself and with other people who are actually genuinely interested in you. How's that? Let's see the final message here, Cancer, for you guys. Past life relationship, you have known each other before, especially if you guys are stuck on somebody from your past, and you haven't resolved that issue with somebody. Just do that, Cancer. Just do that. If there is something or someone that's keeping you stuck in your life, maybe talking to them, maybe communicating with them, maybe releasing the situation with love and compassion is going to help you guys a lot in healing. And if this is this situation, this card is not valid for your situation, just let it go. Don't get stuck. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.